So my name is Jill Hyndman. I am the creator and founder of the fashion brand Factory Ireland. I'm at an early startup stage and just moving into my first pop-up shop. I've always been inspired to work in business. It's something that I've always wanted to do. I've always loved fashion from a young age. I've always been very fascinated by it. So it's just naturally what I've always wanted to do. People that have inspired me, the likes of kind of like local designers like Adele McBride, and seeing them like stock in like places like New York and Japan and just doing what they love. I think my key highlights to date would be I was asked to create and design the Miss Northern Ireland national costume for Miss Sarah from 2017. I do a lot of bespoke work as well, such as the local drag queen from here, Robin Diamonds. I just want to grow and stock, hopefully worldwide. I think just to really love what you do, which isn't really like a skill per se, but you need to really love what you do to be able to pursue it and make it your everyday life. I think just get up and dust yourself off. You can't really get discouraged by failing or not succeeding in things. You just keep going and driving for it. I think the best thing about owning my own business is just having complete creative freedom. I think the worst thing is having no money. Having to work part-time and love two lives and have no life. I think it's been brilliant with meeting other people, making connections. Obviously, as I'm more of a creative, I'm completely clueless with the business side. So learning a piece of everything, you're no longer really blindsided. You have a bit of information in everything. So it makes me a lot more confident. Well, my business is inspired by the dairy shirt making heritage. So it's a nod to that. I want to be able to create making local again here, as this was what it was famous for. So I'd say having that strong heritage behind it and such a strong story is what set me apart. I'm proud of my business for what it stands for. It stands for our heritage and also is completely sustainable. I just think seeing it grow, and obviously I want to do everything at the minute, but I can't because it costs a lot and it's a lot of time. So I can't wait to kind of get to a place where I can just kind of showcase more of my skills. I think big thing would be funding at the minute. Funding for like some materials, but also create a small hub of seamstresses as well to grow and create product.